Hi guys, my name is Vipul. Today we are talking about how to automate your computer. You might think of automating your computer as this ridiculously hard and complex task, but it is not. What you can do is basically take the help of the library PyAutoGUI. What is this library? Basically, it is a library that uses other libraries or frameworks to do the same exact work that your keyboard and mouse do. It is much more simple than I am talking, hopefully. So, what it is that basically what PyAutoGUI does is that it uses frameworks like Quartz and AppKit for Mac. For Windows, it might use cType. It will use cType library. For Linux, it will use the xlib library. And what this is that basically these libraries are like, do these actions on a much more zero bits level, right? So basically, what you're doing here is that you've got this all systems, right? Now you can take the help of PyAutoGUI, write in the code as in click, coordinates, open, like you can do anything, like type write something. So it is as easy as that. You just have to do that, these few commands, finds, locate, center, that thing. You can do that and you can automate any task, any process. Like it's that easy. Just say click the window button, you have to know the coordinates, and then search, and then anything can happen, right? So that, and if you have to pre-program it, you can pre-program it to do anything, like as if you do it like in any other like sitting position. That it is that easy to automate. Now I know maybe it's not that you want to do that. You can generate this code by LLMs. So you can generate this code like real time. What you can do is like tell the prompt, take the task, give it to the LLM. If you want to be more robust, more precise, maybe you can do this, is that you give the task and it will break the task into much smaller things. It will make them into more instructable actions. Now once that has happened, it is much more precise to make a code. Now what will happen, you make the code, right? You make the code, and then after making the code, the better the prompt, the better the process, the better the code, right? Now you got the code, you copy paste it, better. Now if you don't want to copy paste it, even that can also work. You just have to take the code part, right? So you can either just tell the LLM to not just only write the code and not the words. Hopefully this works. Now after you do this, you take that to the file, right? First and last line, anything, and the quotations and name of the language that can be taken out, right? And then after that, what happens is that this thing that you write, right, it will run. You just have to command it to run, and then that's it. Or whatever actions that you told that computer to do, like maybe via voice or maybe some other format, now that's going to be executed. You're actually talking and doing your work. That is as easy as it is. Now with this way, I think you'd get closer to the operator, much lower version of it, for free. Hopefully that should work. I've tried it and it works for me. Like I've tried it and I can make the thing work. I just have to do a little tweaks. That's it.